Hello again, guys. Here's that awesome duet from the Vitala Sands Resort. Please check out our previous Santiago Santorini video if you haven't seen it yet. Thank you again for joining us. Annie and I are on our third leg of our 5-leg trip passing through Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte on our Philippine road trip.
Today, we're leaving the Santorini, Greece-inspired Vitalis Villa Resort in Santiago Bay on the west coast of Ilocos Sur, heading north to Vigan City. The distance is about 50 kilometers or 31 miles and will take over an hour by bus to get to Vigan from Santiago. Vigan has been listed by Unesco as the best planned example in Asia of a Spanish colonial town. In the 16th century, Vigan City was established and has preserved its Spanish architecture and charm up to this day. Gary and I will take you on a tour of the famous Hotel Luna. We will also take you on a walking tour and see how the delicious Ilocano Empanada is made in the town square. And to round out our visit, we will see the night lights of Vigan. Hotel Luna was named after the famous Filipino painter Juan Luna, not to be confused with the famous General Luna who fought in the Philippine-American War in 1898 to 1899. But ironically, the hotel is located on the street named after General Antonio Luna on the corner of De Los Reyes Street. We'll leave the hotel link below.
Hey guys, check out this Kalesa or horse-drawn carriage. If you visit Vigan, you can find this as an option to romantically tour around the city via old-school horse and buggy. Just be sure to negotiate your price before getting into the carriage. The price will vary depending on how long you want your ride to be.
Hotel Luna has its origins going back to 1882 when the two-story home was given by Don Jose Florentino as a wedding gift to his daughter. Unfortunately, there is no additional information on Don Jose Florentino other than his daughter was Doña Carmen Florentino. And typically, the title of Don in Spanish colonial days, especially in the Philippines, Don has an English translation of Lord and would imply that Don Jose Florentino was a landowner and wealthy. On February 8, 2014, after changing ownership through the many years, Hotel Luna was officially opened under the Stern Real Estate Development Corporation and has retained its Spanish colonial architecture and charm and is a first-class museum hotel in the Philippines.
Annie and I want to give a special thanks to the Hotel Luna and its staff in upgrading us to a deluxe poolside room. Here, check it out. And what an awesome room it was.
Here is a second floor leading to the museum section of the hotel. On the same level of the museum hotel, here are some private suites that transports you back to the 18th century. Good thing they upgraded to add air conditioning. In Ilocos Sur and Ilocos Norte, the main language spoken along with Tagalog and English is the Ilocano language. Growing up around my aunts, uncles, and of course my parents, I constantly heard Ilocano and these Ilocano words. My mom and dad would reinforce the use of manong and manang before my older cousin's name to show respect. For instance, Manong Bonifacio, an older male cousin. Manong is used to express respect for an older brother or cousin, or even an older unrelated family male friend, or even an older male stranger, whose age is not too far from your own. This is true as well in using manang, but for older females.
Now going the other way, ading is used as a sign of respect for someone younger than you. The use of ading is not gender specific. Ading is roughly translated as either meaning younger brother or younger sister. So this brings us to Vigan City's Central Plaza area, where ading, or younger sister, unrelated to me, is preparing some delicious Ilocano empanadas.
As you can see, ading or younger sister is assembling the empanada on a flour dough base casing. She's creating a well using green unripe papaya and adding seasoned ground pork in the middle. And then adding 1 egg yolk. She then folds over one side of the flour casing to seal and making that iconic half oblong circle empanada shape, and then trims the edges cleanly with a small plate. Now the empanada is ready for the fryer. We will link the empanada recipe below. A short 15-minute walk from Hotel Luna, one can reach the preserved Spanish town central area of Vigan City, lined with souvenir shops, little eateries and full-on restaurants, not to mention the awesome 18th century Spanish architecture. This section photographs well in the evening. A little further out from the Spanish section, you can visit the nightly dancing water fountains synced to music. Like moths to a flame, tourists and locals alike are drawn to these nightly lit fountains. Well, this brings us to the end of our vegan trip. Thank you for joining. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give us a like and a comment if you enjoyed our video. Please also share with family and friends. For our upcoming next road trip, Gary and I leave Vigan City and head north to the beachside Hannes Resort in Pagudpud in Ilocos Norte. Take care and see you soon!
Hippity hop, I'll never be a